On September 11, 1999, history was made. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences announced that the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for that year had been awarded to Ahmed Zewail, an Egyptian-American scientist. But why? What did Zewail do to earn this prestigious award? What has been his contribution to science? You'll be surprised to know about his work and the impact it has had. Welcome to the channel. And in today's episode, we will take a journey through the life of Ahmed Zewail, exploring his incredible achievements that have not only revolutionized our understanding of chemistry, but have also left an enduring legacy on science and education. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the brilliant mind from Egypt. Zewail was born on February 26, 1946, in a small village called Damanhour in Egypt. Despite growing up in a modest home with 9 siblings, he always had big dreams. When he was just 8 years old, his family moved to the city of Dessau, where he spent most of his childhood. It was there that he developed a deep fascination for science and the natural world around him. Zewail's curiosity knew no bounds. He would spend hours tinkering with gadgets and performing experiments, often using simple household items. His determination to succeed despite his humble beginnings was evident from an early age. After finishing high school in 1964, he enrolled in Alexandria University in Egypt to study chemistry. During his time as a student, Zewail's brilliance and dedication to his studies quickly became apparent. He was known for his exceptional problem-solving skills and his ability to grasp complex concepts with ease. Zewail graduated top of his class, earning him a scholarship to pursue his graduate studies abroad. In 1968, he arrived at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, eager to learn from some of the best minds in the world. After completing his master's degree in chemistry, he set his sights on the California Institute of Technology, or Caltech. There he began his groundbreaking research that would eventually lead to the discovery of femtochemistry and earn him the Nobel Prize. At Caltech, Zewail joined the group of Professor Roald Hoffmann, a renowned chemist who had already won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1981. Under Hoffmann's mentorship, Zewail's passion for chemistry grew, and he quickly established himself as a brilliant young scientist. However, he soon realized that he needed to broaden his horizons and explore new frontiers in chemistry. And that's when he turned his attention to the study of chemical dynamics, specifically the motion of atoms. But here's the thing. Atoms move incredibly fast, and until then, scientists didn't have the tools necessary to observe these movements, let alone capture them in real time. But Zewail wasn't daunted by this challenge. Instead, he saw it as an opportunity to make a groundbreaking discovery. With the help of his colleagues, he developed innovative techniques that allowed him to observe chemical reactions as they unfolded, providing a window into the previously invisible world of atoms and molecules. To achieve this, Zewail turned to a new technology, ultra-fast lasers. These lasers could generate pulses of light lasting only a few femtoseconds, a millionth of a billionth of a second. By using these lasers, Zewail could precisely control the timing of his experiments and observe chemical reactions as they occurred. His technique was like having a high-speed camera that could capture the fastest movements of atoms and molecules. One of the key challenges in Zewail's work was developing new methods to analyze the data he was collecting. To do this, he collaborated with experts in various fields, including physics, computer science, and engineering. Together, they developed sophisticated algorithms and data analysis techniques that allowed them to extract meaningful insights from the complex data sets generated by their experiments. Through his groundbreaking work, Zewail and his team were able to observe a wide range of chemical reactions, including those involved in photosynthesis, energy transfer, and molecular recognition. Their findings not only advanced our understanding of basic chemical principles, but also had practical applications in fields such as medicine and materials science. For example, by studying the mechanism of photosynthesis, Zewail's work provided insights into how plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, which could have implications for the development of new solar energy technologies. In addition to his scientific contributions, Zewail was also a dedicated educator and mentor. He believed that one of the best ways to advance science was to train the next generation of scientists. Zewail was particularly passionate about working with students from the Arab world, and he made it a priority to provide them with the resources and support they needed to succeed. He was a firm believer in the power of education and its ability to transform lives. However, it was his pioneering work in femtochemistry that truly set him apart. Femtochemistry is the study of chemical reactions that occur on femtosecond time scales. But here's the kicker. These reactions are so fast that they were virtually impossible to study until Zewail developed innovative techniques to measure them. By using ultra-short laser pulses, Zewail and his team were able to capture images of molecules in motion, providing unprecedented insights into the dynamics of chemical reactions. For instance, one of his early studies focused on the reaction between hydrogen and iodine molecules. By analyzing the data, Zewail was able to determine the precise pathway that the reaction followed, as well as the energy barriers that needed to be overcome for the reaction to occur. This breakthrough led to the development of femtosecond laser technology, which has since been used to study a wide range of chemical reactions, including those involved in biological processes such as photosynthesis and DNA replication. In 1996, Zewail published a landmark paper in the journal Science that presented his latest research on femtochemistry. The paper described his team's use of femtosecond laser pulses to study the isomerization of retinal, a molecule that plays a key role in vision. The study provided new insights into how the eye converts light into electrical signals, which could have implications for the treatment of vision disorders. Now here's the fascinating part. While Zewail was conducting his research, he faced skepticism from some of his peers who doubted that chemical reactions could be studied on such short time scales. But Zewail's dedication to his work and his belief in the power of science led him to persevere. And in 1999, his hard work paid off in a big way. On October, Zewail was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his pioneering work in femtochemistry. The prize was awarded to him jointly with Martin Karplus and Michael Levitt, another American scientist. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences recognized Zewail's groundbreaking work in developing new methods to study chemical reactions on extremely short time scales. They praised him for opening a new window into the invisible world of atoms and molecules, which has revolutionized our understanding of chemistry. But that's not all. Zewail's work has had a profound impact on other fields of science as well. For example, his research on molecular dynamics has helped scientists develop new drugs and materials that exhibit unusual properties. His contributions to femtochemistry have also led to the development of new technologies such as femtosecond lasers, which have applications in medicine, communication, and manufacturing. So, what's the secret behind Zewail's success? What made him stand out as a scientist? Well, it all started with his insatiable curiosity and his passion for learning. Zewail was driven by an innate desire to understand the world around him, and he pursued his interests relentlessly. He was also a gifted teacher and mentor, and he took great pride in sharing his knowledge and enthusiasm with others. Zewail believed that one of the best ways to advance science was to support and encourage the next generation of scientists. However, his greatest strength was his ability to see beyond conventional boundaries. Zewail was not content with working within the confines of a single discipline. Instead, he embraced interdisciplinarity, collaborating with scientists from various fields to tackle complex problems. This approach allowed him to make connections that others had missed and led to groundbreaking discoveries. Zewail's impact on the world of chemistry goes beyond his scientific contributions. He was a trailblazer for Arab scientists, breaking down barriers and opening doors for future generations. Zewail's success story has inspired countless Arab youth to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. He has shown them that with hard work, determination, and a passion for learning, anything is possible. In fact, Zewail's influence has extended far beyond the world of academia. He has advised political leaders on science-related issues and has been a vocal advocate for the importance of education and scientific research. Zewail has received numerous awards and honors throughout his career, but he remains humble and dedicated to his work. So what does the future hold for femtochemistry and other areas of research pioneered by Zewail? Well, the possibilities are truly exciting. As technology advances, scientists are able to study chemical reactions with even greater precision and accuracy. This could lead to the development of new materials, drugs, and technologies that were previously unimaginable. Moreover, as interdisciplinary research continues to grow, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking discoveries at the intersection of chemistry, biology, physics, and other fields. Zewail's work has truly left an enduring legacy that will continue to shape the world of chemistry and inspire future generations of scientists for years to come. So there you have it, folks, the incredible story of Ahmed Zewail, a man who dared to dream big and change the world with his scientific discoveries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. We've got plenty more inspiring stories of scientists and innovators coming your way. Until then, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows, you might just be the next Ahmed Zewail.